Maranao Hotel and Resort Corporation versus National Labor Relations Commission. We do not agree with public respondent that private respondent was denied due process on the ground that he was not formally investigated by the hotel or by the investigator of the Department of Tourism regarding the reported losses. The records clearly show that petitioner fully complied with the required notice and hearing prior to the dismissal of private respondent. Private respondent was given at least 3 chances to explain the reported losses. The investigation reports reflect that private respondent was invited on 2 occasions to shed light on the complaints received from the Japanese guests of the hotel. Private respondents did not appear in said investigation, nor did he submit any written explanation to the investigator. Exculpating himself from the charges, finally, petitioner itself notified private respondent of the result of the investigation conducted by the 2 investigators. He was required to explain, but private respondent did not take heed. He persisted to remain silent, as Pink. This established fact belief that finding that private respondent was denied due process before he was dismissed. Time and again, we have stressed that due process is simply an opportunity to be heard. Private respondents was given more than sample opportunity to defend himself. He chose not to use his opportunities in a belated effort. Private respondents tried to explain why he was unable to honor the invitation to go to the tourism office on January 22, 1989. Allegedly, he served as chairman of the union's COMELEC to oversee the referendum conducted by their union on the same date. This afterthought excuse cannot justify his repeated failure to explain his side. What is telling is that from the time he was first summoned to shed light on the complaint on January 22, 1989 until he was dismissed from service on July 22, 1989, there was not a single denial or explanation which came from private respondent as to his complicity in charge of theft. There is not a thread of evidence in the record to show that he exerted any effort to attend the investigation conducted, nor even to air his aside either person in writing.